What did you catch?
Meat long.
Okay.
The meat long.
Yun siya. Okay. No, I hope it's chiller. Sana all ning akong bana. Nakabingwit na po siya. Oh, chiller. That's not night. It's not big. Nadyan na just right. Naam, as chiller. Gratulalok. You catch more fish, guys. Yeah, you need to put back that in the water. Oh, it's very easy. Give me, I put in the water.
That's yours.
No, it's kitchi. Kitchi.
Nem kicsi van.
That's bo.
Nem kicsi, jó ez, sütni ez. 2 ember jól a kicsi alatt. Miért kicsi?
Bye. See you later.